Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a brand new line that we're carrying. This is through a company we work with called Tin Knocker. It's a very nice machine. It's actually marked HM Machinery. Really simple belt grinder, 3-inch, 79-inch overall. There's a few nice features. Obviously, you're going to have your safety guards. There's a miter table here. Over here you have a nice handle, which makes it really easy to go ahead and change your tilt. So it's ergonomically efficient for you to go ahead and move it to which way you're going to need to be grinding, depending if you're grinding something higher here or if you're going to want to have it lower here. You can also use your other portion of the belt sander, which you can see, again, 3 inches over our whole length here. That'll give you a lot of different options to do different jobs on as well. So, simple machine. We'll show you how everything works. We're just gonna, this is how you change your belts. Here's your on and off switch, as well as your emergency stop. A 2.2 kW. You got your dust collector hood back here. Make sure this guy's tight. Got your dust collector, is going to shoot out to there to whatever you're going to be grinding. Now, if you're grinding aluminum or anything that could be flammable, you're obviously going to want some type of wet dust collector or some type of standalone. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you're looking for any type of standard grinder, belt sander, we do carry a lot of different machines, new as well as used. And if you have something to buy, sell, or trade, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.